Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sundar Shahbaz and my topic of presentation is acid-base disorders of magnesium. First of all, I will discuss the following contents. The first one is the definition, second one causes, fourth, third one symptoms, fifth is treatment, and last one the conclusion. First of all, we will see the introduction of magnesium. Basically, what is the magnesium? Magnesium is a chemical element with symbol Mg and atomic number 12, classified as an alkaline earth metal. Magnesium is a solid at room temperature. 50 to 60% of magnesium is the body is stored in bones. Magnesium is the eighth most abundant element and constitutes about 2% of the Earth's crust. Next one, essential for enzyme proper functioning, muscle contraction, nerve function, bone health, and protein synthesis. Next है dietary sources of magnesium: green leafy vegetables, nuts and seeds, whole grains, dairy products, fish. Next है daily requirements for calcium: adults men 400 to 420 mg per day, women 310 to 320. Higher needs during pregnancy and lactation. Next one, children, varies by age from 80 for infants to 410 for older teenagers. And next one is disorders of magnesium. Basically, the disorders of magnesium involves the imbalances of magnesium in the body, affects the body's pH level. First disorder is hypomagnesia, low magnesium level in the blood, and second one hypermagnesemia, high magnesium level in blood. Both conditions can disrupt normal acid-base balance. Next one, causes of hypomagnesemia. These are the causes which produce hypomagnesemia: poor dietary intake, malabsorption, chronic diarrhea, alcoholism, certain medications. Causes of hypermagnesemia: renal insufficiency, decreased excretion of magnesium. Next one, excessive intake or overconsumption of magnesium containing medications or supplements. Endocrine disorders: hypothyroidism, Addison's disease, medications, magnesium containing acids and laxatives, particularly in patients with renal impairment. Next, symptoms of hypomagnesemia: neuromuscular tremors, muscle cramps, tetany, seizures, cardiovascular arrhythmias, hypertension, electrolyte imbalances, hypokalemia, hypocalcemia, and the last one, psychiatric irritability, confusion, depression. Symptoms of hypermagnesemia: neuromuscular, muscle weakness, lethargy, diminished deep tendon reflexes, cardiovascular, hypertension, bradycardia. Severe cases can cause cardiac arrest. Next one, gastrointestinal, nausea, vomiting, central nervous system, confusion, coma in severe cases. Next, effects on acid-base balance. Basically, we will discuss here what are the effects of both disorders on pH level or acid-base balance in our body. First of all, we discuss hypomagnesemia, metabolic alkalosis due to associated hypokalemia, which can increase bicarbonate reabsorption. Metabolic acidosis, if renal tubular function is impaired, leading to decreased acid excretion. Next one, hypermagnesemia, metabolic acidosis, common in renal failure where there is accumulation of magnesium and other unmeasured anions. Metabolic alkalosis, rare but can occur if conditions that cause hypomagnesemia impair acid excretion. Next, diagnostic evaluation: serum magnesium levels, hypomagnesemia, hypermagnesemia. Next, associate electrolytes, checking for related imbalances like calcium, potassium. Renal functional tests, evaluating kidney function. Arterial blood gas analysis, assessing the acid base status. Treatment of hypomagnesemia: magnesium supplementation, oral or intravenous magnesium depending on severity. Address underlying causes, improving diet, treating malabsorption, adjusting medications. Monitor and correct electrolyte imbalances, particularly potassium and calcium. Treatment of hypermagnesemia: discontinuation of magnesium sources, stopping magnesium containing supplements or medications, intravenous calcium gluconate used to counteract the effects of high magnesium on the heart and muscles, enhancing magnesium excretion using diuretics or dialysis in case of renal failure. Next, last one, conclusion. Magnesium imbalance can significantly impact acid-base balance. Proper diagnosis and management are essential for preventing complications. Understanding the role of magnesium in acid-base disorder is aids in effective treatment and patient care. Thank you. I hope I would clear all the